safe. I had big bird dreams for you. Resting in a shoebox near a mason jar filled with warm water and a nest made of paper towels. You were silent, made no sound when I picked you up, surrendered to the certainty of my hands. Your bright eyes stared at me, knowing nothing of my type or flock. Instead, you stayed quietly in my hands under the light of the chandelier on my dining room table. Had you not opened your beak when I tapped it with the eyedropper, allowing me to see your bright red mouth and small tongue, and to fill your throat with the tepid water, then receive the food in that same manner, and after it, had you not called out a small bird sound, one hears from nests in spring when a mother has come to feed her young, and had you not finally closed your eyes and fallen to sleep, leaving me with visions of you in free flight across my screen porch, it would have been easier to lift your cold body out of its man-made nest and to bury you beneath the impatiens whose red flowers opened like your small mouth.